If you're working with another company or a subcontractor on a project, the project collaboration feature gives you the ability to invite them to your CompanyCam project and ensure you're getting photos from everyone working on the job. Project collaboration is a free feature for you and for the subcontractors you invite to your project. To invite a collaborator, log into CompanyCam and choose the project you'd like to collaborate on. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see Collaborators, then Invite a company to collaborate. To send the invite to collaborate, you can copy this link and send it out via text message, or you can send this via email. Your collaborators will have the ability to add, view, and share photos in CompanyCam, as well as view and make comments on that particular project. Once you've sent this link to your collaborators, they will have two options to accept the invite. If they are already using CompanyCam, they can just log in to accept the invite. If they're brand new to CompanyCam, they will want to sign up a new company and can stay on our basic subscription, so this does stay free for them. Once they've created the new company, they'll be able to accept the invite and start taking photos for your project. Once the project is complete, you have the ability to end the collaboration at any time. To end the collaboration, come to the collaborator's name and click the three-dot menu icon in the corner. Then just click End Collaboration. They will no longer have access to your project, but you will retain any photos and comments that they made on your project while collaborating.